Indian stock market, Sensex and Nifty, after recording a massive sudden decline and bloodbath in the market trends on the day of election results due to rising uncertainty, are now holding steady, trading strongly on Thursday for the second day in a row. After Prime Minister Narendra Modi was unanimously chosen as the leader of the BJP-led NDA on Wednesday, the Sensex went up by 882.77 points to reach 75,265.01, and the Nifty increased by 275.20 points to 22,895.55 at 11 a.m. on Thursday. Although there are concerns that the thinner majority may restrict Prime Minister Modi from carrying large-scale pro-growth reforms, billionaire investor Mark Mobius is confident that the bull run is intact and the Sensex can even hit the 1 lakh mark before Modi finishes his third term. Analysts believe the NDA winning the third successive term is a big positive, and the continuity of power is a strong enough narrative to support the economy. After a day of bloodbath in the stock market, it recovered gradually in early trade on Wednesday, with Sensex gaining over 1,000 points and Nifty adding over 500 points and continuing to do well even on Thursday. Rating agency Moody's on Wednesday said the victory of the BJP-led NDA in the recently concluded Indian general election would result in policy continuity. However, the slim margin of victory and loss of an outright majority in parliament could delay more far-reaching economic and fiscal reforms, which could impede progress on fiscal consolidation. Global markets such as Tokyo and Hong Kong went up, while Shanghai's numbers were down on June 6. US markets ended on a high note on Wednesday, with people speculating that the Fed might cut rates because of a weak labor market. Despite this, foreign institutional investors kept selling in India due to higher prices. Significantly, foreign institutional investors sold Indian stocks worth rupees 5,656.26 crore on Wednesday. It needs to be underlined here that the surge in the stock markets came after the trends witnessed a sudden decline on the day of the Lok Sabha election results, when the BJP seemed to be failing to secure a clear majority, contrary to what the exit polls had predicted a day before. After the market crashed on Tuesday, India's richest businessmen Gautam Adani and Mukesh Ambani saw a massive decline in their net worth. Chairman of the Adani Group, Gautam Adani, reportedly registered his net worth plunge by $24.9 billion in a day, while chairman of Reliance Group, Mukesh Ambani, also saw a decline in his net worth with $8.99 billion fall.